Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I'm dead excited to be bringing you something a bit different in the Skillcraft VULCAN wood-fired oven. Now, in a Facebook group that I'm in, run by fans of lots of Skillcraft people on there that have bought ovens, it's called Backyard Pizza UK. I've been excited last weekend about doing something called a pizza dog, like a hot dog. Okay, so I thought I'd bring you some of those today so you could have a go at these yourself. Dead easy. All I've got in front of me is some dough, some onions, mustard, ketchup, oil. I've got some Brocwurst, these are just from Aldi, and I've got some flour. Dead simple to do. Now obviously make sure if you are finding the content useful, you are staying tuned to the channel and you are hitting that notifications bell for when I release a new video. So let me bring you in a bit closer and we'll get cracking. And it is red hot, as you can see. It's going, the temperature gauge at the front says we're up to about 175 inside. Ignore that, okay. It is red hot inside, and I'm going to go and get me temperature probe in a minute to show you. I've just got a couple of onions that I've top and tailed and peeled. I'm going to put them in this cast iron skillet. Like so, because throwing hot dogs with onions. I'm just going to break these up. Like so, and then I'm going to put a little bit of veg oil over the top. I'm just going to mix these up just to coat everything with the oil. There we go. I brought on the Inkbird thermometer. Now I've got an unboxing video of this just in the link above, so let's have a look. Wow. So the back stone over there is, if you can see that in the sun, 404 degrees. At the front it's 370, 430. Wow. Now this oven has been going around an hour and a half to 2 hours now, so it's built up a good depth of warmth in the base tiles. So let's slide these onions in nice and gently, and I imagine they're going to start cooking pretty quick pretty soon. So what I'm going to do now is get the dough and get it off the tray. It is warm next to this oven. Straight in onto the flour bench, and another one. Okay, and then I'm just going to stretch this out. Put one of the Aldi Brocwurst, well they're actually a Brocwurst, in. And then I'm actually just going to bring the dough up and around. Like so. Then we make the pizza peel. Hopefully get this in. There's one. There's two. Just pushing that sausage back down. Just going to go and move this about. Get them right to the back where it's nice and warm. Get that bread dough puffing up with some nice air. Right, let's go back in and have a look at these. So, not looking too bad. Again, looking nice. These are a lot thicker than normal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another 2 in as well at the same time. So we've got 4 going. So these back in. So let's get these out. Wow, so there we go. There's some of them there. Okay, good. This one's puffed up that much that the sausage basically is on top, but now we've got the onions. Let me just go and grab my hot cloth. I've got these lovely onions to go on top as well. Wow. So my next question will be, are you a traditionalist with ketchup and American mustard? Do you put it on now or do you put it on after you put your onions on? You know what, let's do it both ways. These onions smell fantastic. Let's put some onions on first, on these ones. And then let's go on with the ketchup. And the mustard. And then on these ones, I'm going to go the opposite way. Mustard. Ketchup, and then the onions on top of that. Now, which do you prefer? Left or right? Let me know in the comments below. Onions on top or onions underneath. I think, personally, I think I like the onions underneath the sauce so you get the pattern, but it's all down to personal preference. Right, let's dig in and let's have a taste. Okay everyone, so there we have our pizza hot dog. Cooked around the sausage. I mean, look at the size of that. That is monstrous. Let's have a bite. My God, it's fantastic. I mean, I'm stood here probably covered in mustard, ketchup, onions. Do I care? No. This, wow, it's a revelation. It's fantastic. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you're gonna have a go at making some of these. It's definitely going to bring a different depth of product to your pizza parties, especially if people are used to cooking loads of pizzas. Also, the onions in there, they've taken the amount of time it's taken to do these, what, 10 minutes in total. The onions, really good. So I'm glad you've enjoyed it and you've stuck around to watch the video. If you'd like to see more things cooked in the Skillcraft Vulcan, message me in the comments, let me know what you want to see cooked. I am looking at doing an unboxing of the Skillcraft Tuscan grill, the large one, following on from this video, so make sure you are subscribing to the channel, hitting that notifications bell of when I release a new video. And until next time everyone, I'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.
One pizza too many.